Hi, I'm Matt Hildebrand with Don's Appliances, joined by Executive Chef Anthony Marino.
Good morning, all.
And we're going to talk about what the industry is like now, right? So for the last 3 years, it's been in a state of influx due to COVID.
Yeah.
But things have definitely changed.
Yeah, for the brighter. So this is like just our little state of the union, state of the inventory, kind of, just giving you an update on, how the warehouse is, how product is, how things are shipping.
Yeah, so, first and foremost, it's not as bad as it was 2 years ago. I mean, 2
At
years
this point,
ago,
yeah.
2 years ago, if it wasn't in stock, we weren't going to see it for who knows how long. So now shipments have become more regular. Trucking has become more regular. Overseas shipments via container ships have become regular. So we're not back totally to pre-2020 levels.
No.
But we're pretty doggone close.
Yeah, we're pretty close, and we're pretty happy and, kind of really settled in and strong about, like, inventory and, ordering. So, I mean,
Yeah, availability has definitely gotten better. Our in-stock availability is still tremendous.
Yeah.
Quite frankly, our in-stock inventory is better than it was in 2019. I mean, we have made a commitment to next day delivery, and in order to do next day delivery, we've got to have a lot of products available.
Yeah.
And
And the 10% and the pickup is
the
huge.
10% off pickup, yes.
Yeah,
so, if you go to donsappliances.com, you go to in stock, you look at anything in stock, and it'll show location. Anything that is in stock and you want to pick it up, you're going to get a 10% discount. Now, if you want to pick it up and it's not in stock, you don't get the 10% additional discount. So I just want to make sure everybody's aware of that, because sometimes there's some confusion.
Clarity is king there, you know what I mean? But if it's in stock, you can get it in 10%. I mean, it's
Get it same day if you want it.
Sure.
I mean, go pick it up and, save an additional 10%. And on a, couple $1,000 appliance, that's real.
Yeah, it is. A washer and dryer set, things like that. That's actual savings. That's instant money. That's, you can't beat that. I always tell them, I said, if you're going to pick that up, get the warranty, get everything with it.
5-year extended warranty, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, that's our warranty too. So
Yeah,
it's not even a
and
third
it covers anything functional. It does not cover cosmetic parts. So I
Yeah.
always want to make sure that people know that, if your product gets a dent from one of the kids running a truck in it,
Yeah.
it's not covered.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
if some major component fails, it is covered. And what's nice now is that we've got free delivery and free installation on freestanding appliances. So that would be washers and dryers, that would be refrigerators, that would be ranges. We do charge installation on dishwashers, over-the-range microwaves, and built-in ovens, cooktops, built-in refrigerators. And then we do charge for removal.
Yeah.
But what's nice is that our delivery and installation pricing matches what the box stores are doing.
You're right.
But you're getting it next day, whereas you may have to wait a few days from the box stores.
Sure, and you're getting, certified installation, certified sales. So, you're getting a seasoned, on both ends of the spectrum. You're getting, good sales staff, great knowledge, and, great installation. So
Yeah, and a couple things that I definitely want to point out, as we're talking. A big question that always comes up is, when should I replace my appliance? Just had a coworker yesterday came into my office, and she said, I have a 10-year-old LG dryer that's making a thumping noise. Should I get it fixed? And I said, quite frankly, it's probably an easy fix, but by the time you pay for the service call, the labor, the part, you're still going to have a 10-year-old dryer that's at the end of its lifespan.
Yeah.
I go, quite frankly, buy a new dryer. You hate to say that, but when you start talking longevity of products in years, dryers you're going to get 8 to 10 years.
yeah, refrigeration's what?
Refrigeration's about the same.
Yeah.
But COVID really decreased that because of the amount of usage of the product.
Sure.
So really, she's got a 10-year-old dryer, but when she was working from home the last 2 years, that 10-year-old is more like a 13-year-old dryer.
It's
It's time to
12,
replace
13,
it.
Sure.
I know we don't like to think that sometimes, but It's much easier sometimes to replace the product, get it out next day.
Yeah, right.
You're back up and running. You don't have an issue. If you need a washer to go with a dryer, we've got financing options.
Yeah.
You know, that's one other thing that's really kicked up over the last few years is our ability to finance more and more products for you. It's a great convenience.
Sure.
It allows you to save time and have more things brought in if needed. And it's a great feature.
It is. It's a great feature, and now you can get, say you needed that washer and dryer, but you do want that dishwasher too. Now let's bundle it all into financing. Let's get the warranties. Let's get everything because it's going to get financed. That's worry-free, peace of mind stuff. I think.
And the great part about it is same as cash, which means that for 12 months, if you make 12 equal installments and pay that off prior to that 12-month period, you don't get charged interest.
Sure.
It's interest-free. You just have to make those regular payments. You have to pay it off prior to that end of contract time, and it's interest-free. It's like free money.
It is. It's free money. Free money.
Yeah. And it's a great feature that I don't think a lot of our customers utilize enough.
No, you're right. I mean, it really should be it's one of the first things we talk about these days when you go in there. Because so many customers are, price conscious. As you should be. You know what I mean? You're investing in your kitchen, you're investing in your bathroom, you're investing in your laundry room. So,
and the great part about going to Don's, coming to Don's, is that we offer price guarantees. We've got a large selection. If you go to our in-stock page, again, I always talk about our in-stock page. Mm-hmm. I'll be out with friends. They'll say, hey, do you have this dryer? Do you have any dryers? I just pull up my phone. I go to donsappliances.com, pull up in stock, and we're always running some type of promotion.
Sure.
So when people say, do you have a sale coming up? Well, our prices are the lowest they possibly can be, but there are times, Labor Day holiday is coming up. There's going to be a good time to get some discounts, additional discounts, to take advantage of.
Yeah, you're right. You pick up some of those Don's exclusives. We have different exclusives on certain brands at certain times. So.
And if you have any questions, you can always go to donsappliances.com.
Yeah.
Our chat team is available. They're very good. You can purchase your product online if you want, if you don't have time to go into one of our showrooms, or go into one of our showrooms, and our seasoned sales staff will be able to walk you through the process and help you make the best decision possible.
Yeah, because even these days, the appliances, some people still need to touch and feel. You got to look at the stainless. You got to check the gas. They want to see it. This is still. We do a great online business, but there are still some folks there that need to say, visually look at it. That's
Don's
why
Appliances, the best of both worlds.
I love that. You're
Physical
right.
location, digital location.
Yeah. We're in tandem on that one. You know what I mean?
That is.
Chef and Matt.
And we've got a lot of videos that can help you make the right decision. Be sure to go to donsappliances.com, go to our YouTube channel, and thank you as always for listening.
All right.